Welcome, Stoneseekers. This is Petraia, the Twin Worlds. Petraia's landscapes are brimming with vibrant life, rich forests and meadows, and rivers that are constantly morphing and shifting as if the worlds themselves are alive. Giant creatures sculpt the terrain as beasts like the fungolith colossus and the mountain ridge mammoth bulldoze through the forest, shaping it in their image. Weavers and druids harness the energy, known by the elves as the life stream and by the primates as the jungle's heart. Petraia's ability to create life is both its key and pitfall. Thousands of empires have been overgrown by its all-consuming hunger. Miles of ruins lay underneath the caverns and the jungles of Petraia, as adventurers and druids alike search for lost treasures like the floral diadem. Petraians are known for their deep connections with nature. Elves, on the other hand, they focus on preserving knowledge in the status quo. They are adversarial, constantly clashing with another faction. But primates, they are explosive, creative, and bartering masters. These monkeys have shipped in armaments from Heliocent and are fighting to make Petraia go through a technological revolution, or at least blow up the parts they don't like. Life is harsh on Petraia. Fungorians, with their natural symbiosis, can mold themselves to mimic beings around them. Watch those around you as they might transform into a fungus right before your eyes. Let's explore the power of Petraia with some card combinations. Rootling Terror is a fungal wonder that hooks its roots into those around it, draining their power. These invasive Fungorians spread quickly, and if you play a Rootling Terror targeting a previous rootling that you control with Petraia's unique symbiosis keyword, you can put -6 counters onto an enemy wonder. Card combo number 2, Argent Feralwind times Adorable Vermin. The citizens of Petraia live in this rugged land despite the danger. Using Argent Feralwind, targeting the Adorable Vermin lets you use the rodent an additional time to spread more plague, putting -1 counters on the whole world. Alright, Stoneseekers, this wraps up our travel around Petraia. May your adventures bring you treasures.